Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and the improvements we hope to see in 2025. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is fantastic, but there's always room for improvement. Let's dive in. First up, design. The S24 Ultra is sleek, but it's time for a fresh look. The design hasn't changed much since the S21 Ultra. We'd love to see a new, bold design that sets the S25 Ultra apart. Imagine slimmer bezels, a lighter frame, and maybe even new color options. Samsung, let's mix it up. Next, RAM. The S24 Ultra has up to 12 gigabytes of RAM, but we missed the 16 gigabytes option from the S20 Ultra. Future-proofing is key, especially when you're dropping serious cash on a flagship phone. Speaking of cash, the S24 Ultra is pricey, starting at $1,299.99. We hope Samsung can keep the price steady, or even better, lower it a bit to stay competitive with brands like OnePlus and Google. Now let's talk about the S Pen. It's a game changer, but we want even more. New features, more integration, and maybe some AI enhancements could make the S Pen even more indispensable. Photography is next. The S24 Ultra's 5x optical zoom is great, but we missed a 10x optical zoom. Bringing that back with a better sensor and more megapixels would be amazing. Rumors suggest we might get a variable optical zoom, which would be perfect. Samsung, please make it happen. So those are our top wishes for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. What do you want to see? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.